Hello there, welcome to Tere Technique. This is BMW Snapdragon series, and this software is like ID8. And from here today I will show you how you can increase your brightness in the screen. Here you can see, first of all, you will scroll down this notification panel. Here you can see this is the brightness adjuster. So I will do it to the maximum. From factory it is on 70%. Then if you go to settings, factory settings 07 03 05, here is the setting for just for Scandinavian cars or Scandinavian countries that have the day running lights or DRLs all the time, or front high and low beam all the day. So you can adjust this with your automatic brightness. Here you can see it's with the width length control. Right now it's with your automatic with your car settings. So if you want to turn this off, you can close this, or you can do it with your car sensors. So here is the setting for brightness. So that's the video for today. Thank you. Bye bye.